and thank you so much for joining me here in my studio. I'm Amy Nicole, and I'm coming to you from rainy and cloudy South Texas. Today, I am super excited to share with you my second ever finished knitting project. I am so proud of this one because it is a little bit more, well, a lot more advanced than my first knitting project. And this is the Blanca Julep tee by We Are Knitters, and I knit this with their Pona cotton. This is a cotton little t-shirt. I left off the sleeves, and it has this super fun cutout. Is it called a cutout when it's knitting? I don't know. It has these super fun cutout detail on the front and the back, and I am just pleased as punch with the way this turned out. I obviously had some mishaps, so if you look closely, there's some weirdness in some spots, but overall, I cannot believe how good this turned out. This cutout. Why do I feel weird calling it a cutout? It's a cutout. Cutout. Okay, we're just calling it a cutout and we're moving on. Anyways, I cannot get over how good it looks. It's so soft and light. I love wearing this. I feel like so accomplished with this project. I can't even tell you. Overall, it was pretty easy-ish. I think I only had like major disasters that I had to totally not unpick. This is knitting. Unknit. Take out. I had to take out some rows a couple times. Other than that, it was a pretty easy make, and I just love it so much. And I love knitting. It is so much fun and so relaxing. Yes, it takes forever to complete a project, but I feel like I need that sometimes because when it comes to sewing, I can just be like trying to speed through everything all the time and make as much as I possibly can, and then I end up with like all this stuff. So knitting is a good reason for me to just slow down and focus on a project and work on something be a little more like mindfully, and it gives me something to do with my hands in the evening when my hubby and I are watching TV. So Blanca Julep tee by We Are Knitters. Love this pattern. Super happy with the way it came out. I don't think I bought the kit. For some reason, I feel like I bought the yarn and the pattern separately or something. But it does come in a kit, which makes it super easy. Because they already have like the yarn you need and the pattern included, and I love their cotton yarn. I love it so much. That is my latest knit project. If you have any questions about it, please let me know in the comments below. And thank you so much for being here. Happy sewing, bye. Oh, happy knitting, bye. My first ever, wait, that's a lie.